Hi YouTube, this is our first ever video and I'm super excited to talk to you about how to optimize your Instagram profile for your business. Now, if you're completely new here, hi, I'm Jessie. I am a graphic designer and business consultant for creatives. Instagram is basically my full-time job now and I've been able to do that even with just a small following. We will be going over your user handle, your bio, your call to action, basically everything that Instagram has to offer for you and your business to flourish online. Now, the first thing that we're going to talk about is your iHelp statement. Now, the whole purpose of this iHelp statement and to summarize what you and your business is about in about 15 seconds. Now, 15 seconds is the same amount of time that you need to convince someone to follow you and that you're creating valuable content that they want to be updated by. Now, your bio should include your target niche, what your services are, your ideal client, the results that you're going to give them, so that people know what type of value that you're going to be putting out as content. Now, this is where the iHelp statement comes in. You want to format your bio like this. iHelp, insert target niche, with insert your services so that they overcome client pain point X, Y, and Z, and start insert results here. The reason why this works is because it tells people how you're going to help them, what services you offer, and also repel the people that are not your ideal client. Now, a horrible example of this is I help moms lose weight through dieting and exercise so that they can feel good. While this goes over all the points that we talked about in the iHelp statement, this is too vague and too general, and it's not really going to speak to your ideal client. So now let's transform this to be as specific as possible. So a good example of this would be I help busy moms lose stubborn belly fat through plant-based diets and exercise so that they lose weight. So now you can see the big difference of why these iHelp statements need to be as specific as possible. Here are some things that you should not include in your bio. Something like cat lover or coffee lover is not something that you should include there because it's just taking up space and it's not helping you or your business. In addition to that, adding hashtags is actually detrimental to your growth because the only thing that people will do is tap on that hashtag and take away from your profile. The whole purpose of setting our profile up like this is so that people stay on your profile for as long as possible. So the next thing that we're going to refine is your user handle. Now, your handle should include your first name. The reason for this is that this is how people are going to remember you by. This is how they're going to search for you in the search bar. Now, something that I don't recommend you doing is having multiple vowels or calling yourself some random name unless that is the face of your brand. Again, you are the face of your brand when you are an online service provider, so you have to make sure that people can find you as fast as possible. What you should also do is include the title of your expertise next to your name. Now, this is a section in your bio. Make sure to include this because one, it tells people what you do, what your expertise is, but also lets people find you through the search bar. In case that people are looking for business consultants or fitness coaches, this is how they find you, but also how Instagram prioritizes you in the search bar. So we have all of this set up. Let's talk about the link in your bio. Majority of Instagram users don't have 10K followers for that swipe up feature. However, we have that link in our bio to direct people to. So whether you are launching a course, selling a product, or basically building your email list, you can direct people to that specific link. This is your main call to action on your profile, so use that wisely. Make sure to talk about it in your IG stories or on your post so that people actually use that link. Now, something that I've been seeing a lot on Instagram are people using Linktree. Now, there are following reasons why I don't recommend using Linktree for your business is because one, you are going to overwhelm people with the amount of links that you do have. And second, you are going to divert people's attention from the product that you are selling. Now, let's say that you are launching an ebook and it's a $10 ebook. People won't go to that page because it costs money. They'll rather go to your Facebook group or your free email list, and that's actually going to make you lose sales. I've used Linktree before and I've seen dramatic decrease into my click-through rates, but also the amount of people who were buying my product. So overall, I don't recommend it. Now, this leads us into our next step, which is your Instagram highlights. Now, this is a missed golden opportunity for a lot of business owners because they don't know how to use highlights or how to use them effectively. Now, highlights that I do recommend for business owners to have are services, client testimonials, business trainings if you are an online coach, and product highlights. Now, product highlights are basically a sales page for your product on Instagram. This is a golden opportunity for people to find out about the products that you're selling or the programs that you currently have without you actively telling them. I have an Instagram highlight for my branding blueprint, which basically has templates, design elements, and presets and people are able to look at before and afters with the presets through this product highlights without me having to directly talk about it over and over again on my Instagram profile. Now, this is how I was able to make $4,000 in sales, because people who are interested in the product or at least curious about it are able to go into my highlight and see the before and afters, but also be educated on what's included. So if any of these tips has lit up any light bulbs for you and your business, make sure to watch the following 2 videos, but also join the Trailblazer Collective on our Facebook group. Just search up Trailblazer Collective and we will pop up. I hold daily trainings there, but also do lives with entrepreneurs around the world and anything about creating an online business. So I'll see you there.